Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to make your YouTube channel visible in YouTube search. To visible your YouTube channel in YouTube search, you have to add keywords to your YouTube channel settings. Here's how to do it. Open YouTube and make sure to sign into your account. Now click on your profile photo and click on YouTube Studio. Once you are in your YouTube Studio dashboard, here click on Settings and click on Channel and select Basic Info. And here you will get Keywords box. Now all you have to need, first of all, you have to add your channel name as a keyword. So my channel name is Rider Blog. So I'm typing here Rider Blog and hit enter to add the keyword, and you can separately write Rider Blog, and after that you have to add keywords that relates to your YouTube channel. For example, I make blog videos for my YouTube channel, so here's I'm typing motovlog, blogging, daily life blog. So that's how you have to add keywords for your YouTube channel, and then click on save. And this is how we can easily add our YouTube channel to YouTube search. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.